This Monday, someone corrupted my file with wrong formatted data. So this week, we learned data validation to protect our files. In this video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about drop-down lists. Simple, from range, dependent with fixed and flexible size. We start now. I have created a file that we are going to use to learn all 4 different techniques how to create drop-down list. So we're going to start with something simple. To create any drop-down list, you need to go to Data Validation, select List here, and in the source field, provide the options that you would like to use in drop-down list. For me, it's going to be yes, no, and not applicable. Please note that we are using a standard list separator that has been preset for your computer. If you don't know which list separator you should use, please check out another video that's already available in our channel. After clicking OK, I'm going to receive a drop-down list of 3 options that's available in my cell. Next option is drop-down list from the cells range. We already have the values that have been preset, so for us it's going to be easy selecting the list, and in the source field, just connect the link to the range of cells we would like to use. After clicking OK, I'm going to receive this list as an option to be chosen from the drop-down list in the file. So we are ready to go to the option number 3. Dependent drop-down list allows us to create a drop-down list that's going to be changing based on the values that we are going to receive in other drop-down lists. So we are going to start with creating the same options that we were using previously, however being organized in slightly different way. So we're going to click OK, and we're going to receive this list of countries. Let's choose USA. In another field, we will create a dependent drop-down list. To do that, we are going to use formula choose. So I'm going to select this formula and put it manually here, and now I'm going to fulfill it. If you know, formula choose allows us to select from the options that are available in this formula, and the criteria is going to be taken from the first parameter that has been delivered to this formula. So we're going to use match. We're going to select the values that has been preset from different drop-down lists, and we're going to select it from the header of our table. We would like to have exact match. So in our case, this function should return number 3, but we don't have still the values that should be considered as option number 3. So now we need to provide the list of options. That list are going to be a list of cities available for each country. So I'm going to select it here, comma, selecting USA list and one for Australia. Now we should receive an option available for USA. If I will select United Kingdom, we may see that we already have a new list available in this cell. So that was a fixed one. It's called fixed because we are having values that are not able to change on the go. For instance, if I'm going to add Miami for USA and we'll return it back, so I will not be able to find it here in the list. So for that need, we are going to learn how to do the flexible drop-down lists that are going to be dependent one on each other. So to create the flexible drop-down list, we are going to first have available the same preset of the original drop-down list. To make it available, I'm going to copy, and with paste special, we'll copy the validation list here. If you would like to learn more about copy pasting, please check our tutorial available on this channel. For selected again field, we would like to use a different formula. So I'm going to select the list again, and we'll use offset. Offset function returns a list of values that are going to be offsetted by rows and columns from the original link that we are going to provide now, with the predefined height and width of this range. So I'm going to take the original cell just next to the header from the left. Next one, how many items I would like offset by rows. There's going to be only 1. And in terms of columns, I would like to offset exactly by the match function that we were already using today. So I'm going to select the value that's been predefined in previous drop-down list. We'll select the header, and I would like to receive an exact match. To create an accurate height, I will need to count cities next to each country. To do that, I need to use countA function. This function calculates number of non-numeral and numeral values that is available in the range. To provide the list of data that we would like this function to calculate, we will need to use exactly the same function as the major one, offset. So we are going to select the same link that is going to be offset by one row. We are going to use the same offset by columns. And now we are going to divide height as 100 in order to cover all potentially added cities to this list. And the width is going to be only one cell. Therefore, we are going to receive only one column of the cells. In original offset, we would like also to receive range that's going to be only one cell wide. So now let's check what we have received. I would like to choose USA and would like the list of cities. So I have received Miami. So if I'm going to delete Miami now, and we'll check this one, I will see that it is not available any further. If I'm going to add another city in Germany, let's take Essen, and we'll select Germany here. I'm going to see that Essen has been available in this list. So this is everything you need to know on the way to create a perfect drop-down list. If you found this video interesting for you, don't forget to like it and subscribe not to miss any future videos.